Tuckers, can I get a oh yeah?
You girls are ready to come in. You sweet things, waiting so patiently. You know it's going to be a good night when the ducks are already up here. Miss Diana, you're super vocal tonight. You all excited about your dinner? Yes, I will get it. Don't plan your escape. I will get your all's dinner. You could calm down. It's fine. You're not going to starve. Oh, no. No, nope, nope, nope. You don't need to come. Go back to your stall. I will feed you. Oh, there's a whole bunch of deer. Gus. Gus, no! My apologies, gentlemen. You can blame Gus for the delay. Come on, Scout. You can't sleep over with the horses. Star, you look like you're watching the cartoons that are playing in the house. Look at you. Vern! What are you doing, Vern? Huh, little guy? Have you been having fun on your little redneck goat contraptions? All right, it's time to call it a night. You think you're grown already that you can have Mama's dinner too? I think you need to just stick with milk, little one. Oh, no, no, no. Just because I have the feed bin lids off doesn't mean it's a free-for-all. Come on, you need to go back to bed. Okay, do you promise to not push open the door until I can lock it? Okay. Well, Boyd Crowder, what are you doing here this evening? You don't want to be in the house anymore? You gonna camp out here for the night? Well, good evening, neighbors. I saw you had some deer friends with you a little earlier. I'm sure the corgis chased them off by now. I don't mind y'all, except please stay away from my garden. Whoever ate the tops of my tomato plants before I got the fence up, I don't appreciate it. Scout, if you went under there, you can come back through. Don't act like you're stuck. Come on. Where's your brother? So nice of you to come back and join us. Come on. I'm closing up everything. You need to get back over here. Yeah. Who instigated that one? No. You've got to be kidding me. Come on. I was just about to lock you up. Come on. You're like a little kid who just keeps coming down the stairs. You got a million reasons of why you can't go to sleep. Well, you need a drink of water. You need a snack. Another bedtime story. You're absolutely ridiculous. Come on. Off to bed.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb.
Wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee.
Introducing my favorite internet pet, Pixel.
Capybara, 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 capybara. Atravessou a massagem.
回来啦！我要拔一颗菜不够吃，再去拔一点。
Now, how the fuck did this fucking dog get inside the fucking bed? I just came in the fucking house. What the fuck? And looking slow. Look how the fuck she looking.
Alright guys, so here's the deal. We have offended way too many people. So from now on, if we offend someone, we will...
Fight him. Yep, I'll fight him. I'll fight him for sure.
I'll
I'll
give
for him
him
when I
some
see him, man.
we'll apologize.
Apologize. Okay. I can also apologize.
And if someone says we have gone too far, we will...
Fight him. I'm swinging on his face. As soon as I see him, I'm be like Samantha from Cobra Kai.
No. Apologize.
Okay, so two apologies. I got it. Two apologies. Okay.
And if we make someone sad, we will...
Fight them bitches.
No.
No. Apollo Creed, them motherfuckers.
No, we apologize.
Okay. I'll apologize.
Good.
With that uppercut.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest.
A little hard to play like this, Hazel. Have you ever seen a robin weep? Leaves begin to die. It means he's lost his will to live. I'm lonesome, I could cry. I'm so low.
Such a man in Russia long ago.
He was big and strong, in his eyes would make me glow.
Most people look at him with terror and the fear.
But to Moscow chicks, he was such a lovely dear. He could preach the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. But he also was the kind of teacher being
Até minuto. Me lo como. Salsa y picante.
Is there anyone around this frickin' place to give me snacks? Hello? I haven't ate in the last 15 minutes and I'm starving. I'm talking to you. This body doesn't just happen on its own. What the frick? Seriously, no snacks? Mom, I told you that this is my snack time. Where are my nom-noms? Nom-noms now in my belly. Mom, make good decisions. I promise not to steal eggs anymore. Please? Fine. You don't love me.
What? Hmm?
Ma chi è costui? Non sarà mica un cane, non mi assomiglia per niente, anzi, sembra una spugna, una di quelle che usa la mamma per lavare. Si è mosso? Si è mosso? Si muove? Ah, tu dovresti andare nel lavandino insieme alle altre spugne. Adesso aspetta, stai fermo lì che ti ci porto io, Un attimo. Aia! Aia! Tu brutto! Ma mi hai fatto male, Oh, mi sono offeso! Mi hai fatto male! Mamma mia, ma che modi sono?
Yo, hey, yo, whoa!